What up, everybody? It's Chris over here at Zabos Customs. Today we got some cool projects going on around the shop. We got this S63 behind us. It is getting downpipes, full exhaust, carbon steering wheel. We're also gonna go ahead and swap out the rear brakes and pads for the customer. What you showing your time for? You counting down to when I'm actually gonna start? It's crazy work. Don't use a screwdriver as a flathead or a screwdriver as a pry bar. But did we order his exhaust or did he?
He did. I didn't order anything for that quote.
Yeah, you want to come take a look at these?
1 second, let me finish this.
I think he ordered a G-Wagon exhaust.
I can't.
Because the hook, looking at the hook from there to there, the hook sits right next to that, so like, does it just dump further back? Does it have actual... it's not even a rule. This is why I hate taking aftermarket parts from people.
Alright, let's see.
Look at this hanger where the muffler is. Look at the hanger for the muffler right here.
I don't think that's for a G-Wagon.
Update, got with the customer because we thought these were the wrong ones. Obviously, we don't know who made these or whatnot. The hangers just look a little off, so we asked them to send us photos of where he got it from so we can figure out how this exhaust is actually supposed to sit. And well, it's correct exhaust. He did order the right exhaust. For once, the customer did their job. So we're gonna get it bolted up. Get off my drink. Leave my shit alone. Motherfucker, leave my shit alone. Now if I'm correct, these are the ones I need on. Now,
It's perfect for him video with that shirt on.
Oh, you getting that?
Yeah, we are. That will look like he's on a commercial. That big old tire.
These are not the same, brother.
Yeah, these aren't the same, brother.
Frozen slotted.
Yeah.
Same to me.
You see these monuments right here?
Your brakes cost $3,500 just for the rear? Didn't think so. That's just parts, bro.
Nope. They look exactly the same though, and they'll probably do the exact same thing to stop you from going.
I hand you the grease.
I'm gonna grease your asshole.
Grease it, baby.
Yeah.
Jacqueline.
Ow. See that recoil? That in slow-mo.
Oh yeah, we got a little rat down there, wiring. I want you to zoom in really close. I mean, I want to see his nose hairs. Of my wagon?
Look how white he is, bro. God damn.
Scared me.
God, fuck. I think I seen Casper. Shit. What are we doing? So we're on our way to Mercedes of Easton. They're good clients of ours. Main reason being is we didn't realize that our system's gonna clear out what we needed to clear out, which is soft codes for the exhaust flaps, because this car is throwing a soft limp mode. So it didn't fix whatever it is, but Durrani said he possibly had the fix for it. He said the C63 that he's been dealing with, it was the middle flap, because there's the 3. So the one
the one that's not supposed to affect anything?
Yeah. Downshift? Downshift? Yeah, it's a lot quicker.
got a 2019 Mercedes AMG GLE. Stock paint is a gloss white. Customer wanted a red chrome. I think we're on day 3 of installation. We've damn near had everybody in the shop touch it, but it is looking really good. Corner's holding good, covered everywhere where we would need it to be. Yeah, hopefully have this bad boy finished today. About to start the bumper.
So, working on this car, right? This shit likes to rip. Like, rip. Like, you know, sucks. So, I honestly hate it. I hate it. Like, hate it. But, you know, whatever makes the customer happy.
This shit look like your fades that you get when you get a haircut. Crusty as hell.
It's like crispy. Crispy like a McChicken.
It's okay. Sucks because it has white backing. So like, or not white backing, but like in the middle. So like oh, that was almost bad. Anytime you like go to push something in, for example like this, it's like separating. Zoom in right there.
I didn't hear it.
I don't see it.
What's up, guys? We're inside the shop today. We're finishing up this wide body Hellcat. Yeah, another one. We're doing this one, as you can see, in a Java brown, most popular color, by the way, with a ton of orange accents. So we did a paint splatter going kind of down the middle of the vehicle and going to each corner. We painted the calipers orange, did some orange accents on the front lip, rear diffuser, etc. We also dyed the interior orange on this one. It's pretty badass. But we're finishing it up now. We did the starlights. Now let's take it outside and get those beauty shots.